Hey everyone, it's Caitlin, and today I'm going to be showing you a DIYs upscaling old clothes. Starting off the video with crop tops, yes, I'm going to be showing you how to do a seamless hem. Flip the shirt inside out, so gluing it you won't be able to see the raw hem, and then this is just going to give it more of a clean cut look. Make sure to leave a hole opening for the elastic band so you'll be able to move it through. Next, you're going to attach a safety pin to the end of the elastic and push the safety pin through the hole that we created until you meet the end. Then you sew the ends together, or you can safety pin them together if you aren't confident in your sewing skills. And voila, you are done. It's easy that simple. Just flip the shirt over and it's ready to be worn. I personally really like this type of crop style because it hinges at your waist, so it gives it more of a fitting look, especially for something that might be a little bit baggy. It won't look as big anymore. Up next is patchwork, and I really liked how this top actually turned out. So the first step is to get 2 bandanas of different color. Make sure to lay down a reference scarf that you have already measured on that fits you as a top. Lay down the bandanas and cut the excess to fit the complete scarf. And then here's Loki trying to be very nosy, seeing what I'm doing. Next, you're going to cut vertical stripes to the bandanas. You could do horizontal if you really want to. It doesn't matter, but I just ended up doing it this way as preference. Then once you're done with that, you're going to cut those strips into small patches, and you're going to lay them out on the reference scarves in any type of design that you want, and basically play a game of Tetris and try to fit all the pieces together. Once that's done, you can start gluing all of the pieces. Either you can glue them inverted or outverted, which basically means either having the raw hem be on the inside or be on the outside. I did both, so it gave it kind of like a unfinished touch, and I really liked how it came out. Last but not least, bleach tie dye. Yes, I have been seeing this trend all over the internet. There's many different styles of tie dyeing. The one that I decided to do was spiral tie dye. Make sure to put half water and half bleach in a spray bottle, because this way the bleach won't be as effective towards the clothes, and hopefully it won't weaken the fabric too much. Then you're going to want to rinse it with cold water and then let it dry. I also tie-dyed a long sleeve black shirt. The way that I did this was I did 2 spirals, one on the right bottom side and on the left top side. After that, I opened it up and see where I wanted to add extra bleach, and I ended up adding more spirals on the opposite sides because I feel like it wasn't enough saturated. And moving on to the back, I did a huge spiral, and I had to do this one a couple times, so opening up the shirt and seeing if there was any spots missing, and then redoing the spiral and continuing the process. After that, I moved on to the arms, and what I did was a folding method on one side, and then I did mini spirals on the other side. And to add some finishing touches, I just randomly sprayed on areas that I felt needed bleach. And this is the final look. I'm so pleased on the way it looked out. It honestly looks like I bought it, and I love the detailing of it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you try out any of these DIYs, and if you do, send me your final looks. and I want to see it, you can either send it to my Instagram or my Twitter. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, saying Loki entered the shot again. And yeah. See you guys in the next one. Bye.